Today we're talking about something homeowners love to ignore until it's too late: home insurance. I'm breaking down the top home insurance mistakes that could cost you thousands and how to avoid them. If you own a home or plan to, this is must-know stuff. Mistake number 1, not insuring your home for its full replacement value. Not market value. We're not talking about that. Replacement value. Huge difference. Now let's say your house is worth $400K on the market, but rebuilding it would cost $500K today due to the labor and material hikes. Now, if you're only insured for $400K, you're eating that $100K loss after a fire or tornado. Ouch. Tip: ask your agent if your insurance policy includes inflation protection or extended replacement coverage. Very, very important, guys. A lot of folks go for a low deductible thinking, oh, I'll save money if something happens. But here's the catch: you'll pay way higher monthly premiums. Let's take, for example, a $500 deductible equals higher monthly costs. A $2,500 deductible, that equals lower monthly costs, but more out of pocket if this disaster hits. So what's right for you? If you've got a solid emergency fund, it might make sense to raise that deductible and save over time. Mistake number 3, assuming your policy covers floods or earthquakes. Now, I talk about homes that you should not buy in an earlier video, so this does relate. Now, flood damage is not covered by standard homeowners insurance. Same with earthquakes. And even in Georgia, flash flooding happens a lot more than people think. So it's very important to check FEMA, check those flood zone maps, and see if you're in a high-risk area before you purchase the home. And if so, flood insurance might be a smart add-on. It's usually affordable if you're in a low-risk zone. Now, mistake number 4, no home inventory. When disaster strikes, could you name everything you own? Trust me, you don't want to rely on memory when you're trying to claim losses. I just went through this. I went through this with a previous property. We had flood damage, and the entire upstairs was ruined, and I had to figure out, okay, when did I purchase this? How much did it cost? It's a great idea, guys, to keep that inventory. You know, you can easily grab your phone and do a quick video walkthrough in every room, show the furniture, electronics, closets, even drawers. Store it in the cloud. This could make the difference, guys, between a smooth payout and a total headache. Trust me, those insurance claims are horrible and time-consuming. Now, number 5, not updating your policy after renovations. Okay, let's say you redid your kitchen, added a deck, or finished the basement. If you don't tell your insurance provider your new upgrades might not be covered. So anytime you invest in your home with renovations, be sure to update your insurance policy. Imagine spending $60K on a renovation and losing it all in a fire because your policy wasn't updated. Call your agent after any major upgrade. It might bump up your premium a bit, but it protects your investment, and that's what's important. Now, number 6, choosing the cheapest policy just to save a few bucks. Listen, I get it. Homeownership is expensive, but insurance, that's not the place to cut corners. We can cut corners on many other things, but not your insurance. Cheap policies often come with lower coverage limits, slower claim processing, I've experienced that, higher exclusions, and red tape. Instead of the cheapest, look for the best value. Do your research. Get quotes from different companies. Talk to your friends and family. Solid coverage, reputable providers, and good reviews is what you want to look at before choosing your homeowner's insurance. Mistake number 7, set it and forget it. Home values change. Construction costs change. Do a policy checkup. Is your coverage still enough? Did you add new valuables? TVs, jewelry, computers? Are there new discounts you qualify for? Home insurance isn't exciting until something goes wrong, and you will be so thankful that it's in place and it covers everything that's important to you. Avoid these 7 mistakes and you'll save yourself thousands and a lot of stress down the line. I really hope this helped, and if it did, give me a like, drop a comment if you learned the hard way. I would love to hear your stories, or if you just want help avoiding it. And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate wisdom with a Southern twist. Thinking of buying a home or just need advice? I've got you covered, literally. I'm Sarah, your Atlanta real estate expert, and I'll see y'all in the next one.